Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the CSEC Mathematics May-June 2016 Paper 2 Past Paper, Question 4, which is on the topic measurement. The question is as follows. The diagram below, not drawn to scale, shows a silver box with no lid. The sides and the bottom of the box are 1.5 centimeter thick. Calculate the volume of the box using the external measurements for 2 marks. Complete each of the following statements. So part 1, the internal length of the box is 30 centimeter minus 2 times 1.5 centimeter. Remember, the thickness of the box is 1.5 centimeters. So the internal length of the box would be the external length minus the thickness on the 2 sides. Let us now look at part 2 of B. Remember from part 1 of B, we said the internal length was equal to 30 centimeter minus 2 times 1.5 centimeter. The 30 centimeter there represented the external length, and the 1.5 centimeter represented the thickness on each side of the box. Okay. Now, the internal width of the box would be calculated using a similar expression. So we have to say the external width, which is 20 centimeter. So the external width, which is 20, minus 2 times the thickness on either side. So that would be 20 cm, subtract 2 times 1.5 centimeter. 3 of B asks us to find the internal depth of the box. Now, according to the question, the sides and the bottom of the box are 1.5 centimeter thick. So the top of the box is not thick, okay? So what this means is that the internal depth would be 15 centimeters subtract 1.5 centimeter, and we are not going to subtract 2 times 1.5. we are just going to subtract 1.5 because it's only the bottom of the box that's thick. Okay, in terms of the depth, is only the bottom of the box that's thick, not the top. So we cannot subtract 1.5 from both sides. We only have to subtract 1.5 because of the thickness of the bottom or the base of the box. Right, so that would be 15 subtract 1.5 centimeters. Part C asks us to calculate the internal volume of the box. So in part A, we calculated the external volume. Now we are to calculate the internal volume. And the internal volume can be calculated using the internal dimensions. And so that would be the internal length times the internal width times the internal depth. Okay. Part D tells us the box is made of silver, which has a mass of 10.5 grams for each centimeter cube. Calculate the mass of the silver box, giving your answer in kilograms. Now, there is a very important bit of information that is given here. The mass of the silver box is 10.5 grams for each centimeter cube. Now, what this means is that the density of the box would be 10.5 grams per centimeter cube, right? So that is CSEC actually giving you the density of the box there, 10.5 grams per centimeter cube, or 10.5 grams for every centimeter cube, right? Now, we have to take that 10.5 grams per centimeter cube and multiply it by the volume of silver that was used to make the box. Now, how are we going to get the volume of silver that was used to make the box? We have to subtract the internal volume of the box in cm cube from the external volume of the box in cm cube. The difference between the two would be the volume of silver that was used to make the box. Now we're going to take that volume of silver in cm cube and multiply it by 10.5 grams per centimeter cube. That way, centimeter cube will cancel out centimeter cube, and you would see how that is done in a while. Okay, so when the centimeter cube cancels out the centimeter cube, we'll be left with grams. The answer we will get, right, would be the mass of the silver that was used to make the box, right, and that mass would be in grams. Now when we get that mass in grams, we have to convert it into kilograms, okay, by dividing the mass in grams by 1000, and that would give us our answer in kilograms. So we will get the mass of the box, the mass of the silver used to make the box, so the mass of the silver box in kilograms. So let's do that now. Okay, so now that we have gotten our answer, let me just say that I am very appreciative that you would have taken the time to look at this video with the solution to the May-June 2016 CSEC Mathematics Paper 2 past paper solution to question 4. It has been a pleasure. Do enjoy the rest of your day.